Hey Lisa, I want to show you Google Analytics. So you basically kind of go to google.com/analytics like that. Take you here, and then you kind of sign in. Now, as far as I know, I think the analytics is supposedly linked to Google AdWords, and it kind of gives a lot of more tracking data. Um, so what I'm going to do now is create a new account in a sense for AutoTuner and the e-commerce stuff. So this is like all Friends of Irony stuff here. So there's like the Android, iOS, if we had that, and some other web pages. So let's go ahead and create another analytics account for called the AutoTuner, and then we will then put that code into Commerce HQ and our home page. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and create a account now. It's gonna be called AutoTuner, and this is let me use the admin account. And you can probably create one for EV Share Charge also. Same way, just use EV Share Charge and just sign up for Google Analytics, and then put that Google tracking tag for EV Share Charge. Okay. So let's go to admin, and I think I linked my Friends of Irony to my personal, so I guess that's why I can see it. All right, so let's go ahead and create a account now. Tuner. Oops. Oh, and I think if we do, maybe we'll do one for the store and one for the Haas Online. Track them separately. Let's go with shopping. Okay, a Los Angeles sign. Let's go get tracking ID. Accept. Cool. Alright, so that is done. So now this is the code for AutoTuner. You put this Google tag into Commerce HQ in the head area. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to create a separate one, and this will be a different tag, and we'll track it for Haas Online. We could kind of put them both on the same page, I guess. I'm trying to see if I can justify the reason why I would want to separate them, because it is all kind of the same thing. It's just that they're coming as cold traffic rather than warm traffic, and we could kind of know because it'll tell us the URL that they came in from anyway, so I guess it'll be okay. So let's just use the same tag, keep it simple. So yeah, you just go over here, back to admin, and then make sure you select the proper, not Friends are but AutoTuner, and then you have different properties. So this is all website data, and then once you're in here, then you get the tracking link, the tracking code, which is right there. All right, and then you also want to set up the Commerce HQ goals. So certain goals that you have, like e-commerce settings, you enable it, and then there's enhanced reporting. You do funnel steps. I think there's maybe some training in 2SIF that would add the funnel steps, such as add to cart, and then something like that. And you mentioned that Kartra doesn't have any product kind of page, so let's take a look at that. I thought I had seen it somewhere. And I think there's a page where maybe we need to set certain goals for Kartra. So it'll be, AutoTuner purchase, placed an order, and then what is that code gonna look like? So I think there's a code here, or a destination URL, or an event. I think probably destination. So if we have a destination of, hey, they went to the Kartra.com, and we can put a code on there, that'd be cool. So let's go to products. Let's just pick one. Let's edit it. Oh, here it is, tracking code. So this is for Kartra to know that a purchase has been made. But if we want to put our thing here, let's take a look. Check out post sale. Okay. I think that's it right there. Okay. And track links, short, user-friendly URL. Well, that's for us. Page train. Track external pages through Kartra. Track external pages through Kartra. Track a page. Page name, category. Okay. So this is kind of like Kartra being Google Analytics. But if we were to track a sale, what would that look like? If they have a feature. I guess you already looked at it. So I think the way to do it is, since after they make a purchase, they would have to be sent to a thank you page. And if we put our Google Analytics conversion code or whatever that you showed me earlier on that thank you page, that means it fired, and it'll tell Google Analytics that the sale was made. So when we run our ads, if they ever visit that thank you page, we know the sale was completed. Okay. So hopefully that helps you track that page. I guess that's it. Alright, so it should be the content thank you page that they get directed to. Okay. Alright, cool. And I think that is it. As far as this stuff, if you can figure this out, great. Call them if you need some help on it. They're pretty helpful, I guess. They kind of do all the work for you, really. Yeah. But go to Google AdSense, because you have to go where the money is, and that's on Google AdSense, and they will set up your Google Analytics to then track. And once that's live, it should be pretty instant, because you go to real time, you can see that someone, it's kind of like per the views per minute. If you're looking on it too with another page, it'll show us one user's looking at the website, and it's pretty like dynamic kind of things. You can see all this start firing up, where they came from, and all this other stuff. Okay, alrighty, thank you.